Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today we are in the garage because I have a new project we need to work on. If you remember a couple videos back, we had bred 3 of our bunnies. Excuse me. Unfortunately, those 3 litters, they kindled, but those litters did not survive. So after talking with a couple other experienced bunny owners, they all suggested to rebreed them and try again, so that's what we did. Unfortunately, we only had 2 that accepted a rebreeding and 1 did not, which is fine. So we rebred the 2 that were willing, and we made some changes to hopefully have better success with these upcoming litters. We upgraded their feed so they're on a better food that's higher in nutrients and has better ingredients. We also finished winterizing the rabbitry, so there was no stress and changes done to the rabbitry this time. And the biggest thing that we're going to be doing is making some better nest boxes. So that is the project for today. We are using this 1/2 inch plywood to make some better size nest boxes, some better insulated nest boxes so that the babies stay warm and cozy. So let me show you the plans that we're going to be using to be making these nest boxes, and then we're going to get started. So here is the basic plan for our nest boxes. I did get these from Teal Stone Homestead. I love her builds. They're super easy to follow, and she seems to have great success with them. So I went with her nest box plan. These are going to be 20 by 10 boxes. So these will be great for any sized bunny except for the giant breeds. And seeing as our American Blues are on the medium to large size breeds, I wanted a nice size box, so this will be perfect for them. But these are the 2 sides, the front lip, the bottom, the front part, the back, and the top sizes. So we're gonna go ahead and mark those on the plywood and get them cut out. Now in Teal Stone Homestead's version, she uses a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch hardwire cloth for the bottom. And she has a couple different reasons why she does that. For us, we're going to do a solid bottom and line it with some cardboard. The reason being is that my last couple the last litters that we had, they got really cold, and I want to make sure that they're going to be nice and warm this time around. So we're going to be doing a solid bottom. And in the warmer months, I might switch that out to a hardwire cloth to allow more airflow in the nest boxes. But for the winter months, I want to make sure that these are a nice solid bottom so no breeze can get up through to the babies, so they stay nice and warm. So that's what I'm doing personally. I'll let you guys know how that works out. But yeah, that pretty much covers it. So let's go ahead and get this marked up, get them cut out, and we'll start assembling. Alrighty, so we have all of our cuts marked out. We tried to do it in such a way where we had the least amount of waste as possible. So these 6 here are the sides. These are the 3 lips that go at the front of the box. We've got the 3 tops. These 4 are bottoms. 1 is going to be cut down into 2 back pieces, so 10 by 10. And then these are the fronts, 3 pieces, and then these are 2 back pieces. So the only waste we have is this little piece here and this little piece here, which can honestly probably get used for something else. So all of our pieces are ready to be cut. Unfortunately, it is a rainy day here, so we kind of lost power. So we're not going to be able to cut these right this minute. Hopefully the power comes back on. But until then, we're going to be waiting a little bit. So we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back, guys, and the power is back on. Yay! So we can go ahead and get these nest box pieces cut out and get them put together. Alrighty guys, so here are the finished boxes. I'm really happy with how these turned out. They are, again, the 1/2 inch plywood, so they're a good thickness. They've got a nice solid bottom so no breeze can get up underneath the babies. I like that this has a nice larger top on it. One, it'll help trap some of the heat in and keep the babies warm. And then this little lip up front will help knock any nursing babies off so they don't end up on the wire. So I think overall they turned out really, really nice. I'm excited to get them in with the mamas and see how they like them. When I go ahead and put these in with my expecting does, I will show you guys a video on how I get the inside set up for them and how we will be prepping for their kindling, which is them delivering their babies or going into labor. But that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button on your way out. Make sure you subscribe so you know when new content comes on. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.